The speed v of ripples on the surface of water depends on surface tension. The speed depends on surface tension, density and wavelength. The square of the speed is proportional to how much? First option, rho by sigma a, sigma by rho lambda, lambda by sigma rho and lambda. Okay, which one is the correct answer? We have to calculate it. The first dimension of speed, that is v. Dimension of speed, you know, L1 t to the power minus 1, or also written as m0, mass term is 0, L1 t to the power minus 1. This is the dimension of speed. Next, calculate dimension of surface tension. Dimension of surface tension, that is T. Dimension of surface tension already defined, that is sigma, not T, is sigma. So dimension of surface tension is nothing but force per length. So that is dimension of force by dimension of what? Length. So the surface dimension of surface tension, dimension of force, you know, the force is equal to mass into acceleration, or also written as ms by t square, mass and s for displacement, t for time. Okay, also written as the, you know, the dimension of force, so that is m1 l1 t to the power minus 2 by length. So what shall we get? m1 l0 t to the power minus 2 is the dimension of surface tension. Next, dimension of density. Next term is density. Dimension of density is rho. Okay, so it's nothing but dimension of density is equal to density is mass by volume. Density is equal to dimension of mass by dimension of what? Volume. That is mass is only m and volume is LQ. Okay. Now dimension of density is equal to m1 L to the power minus 3 t to the power 0. No time term. Okay. Next one is dimension of wavelength. Dimension of wavelength. Dimension of wavelength, lambda. So dimension of wavelength lambda is also length term. Okay, this is the dimension of wavelength. But we have to calculate the square of velocity is proportional to which one. Okay, let the relationship be v proportional to sigma, rho to the power sigma to the power a, rho to the power b, lambda to the power c. We have to calculate a, b, c. Okay, we want to find, that is, we want to find a, b and c such that dimension of velocity is equal to dimension of surface tension, dimension of density, dimension of wavelength. Okay, so dimension of velocity already calculated. The dimension of So we have to calculate dimension of velocity m0 L1 t to the power minus 1. So m0 L1 t to the power minus 1. So sigma already calculated, m1 L0 t to the power minus 2 to the power a, density m1 L to the power 3 t to the power 0 to the power b, wavelength is L to the power c to the power c. So m0 L1 t to the power minus 1 is equal to, here a power a, so m only a, and in case of here plus m b, no m top, and L is equal to minus 3b plus c t term minus 2a, only minus 2a. By comparing the powers of the powers of m, L and t. So for t term, for t, here t power minus 2a is equal to here minus 1. The power is minus 1. So implies that a is equal to 1 by 2. For m, here m is equal to, the power of m is a plus b, and case RHS side is 0. So implies that a is equal to minus b. So therefore a is equal to, so half, and b is equal to minus half. Okay, b is equal to minus half. For L, the value of L is equal to minus 3b plus c is equal to, L value is only 1. So now put the value, put b, put the value b in the above equation, okay. So that is 3 into v is minus half plus c is equal to 1. So it is equal to 3 by 2 plus c is equal to 1. c is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2, and c is equal to minus half. C is equal to minus half. Therefore v proportional to sigma to the power a means what? Half, rho to the power minus half, and c to the power minus half. So v proportional to sigma by rho c to the power 1 by 2, or v proportional to, so v square is proportional to sigma by rho c, that is not c, this one is, sorry, this one is the lambda, not c, this one is a lambda, okay. That is rho by lambda, sigma by rho lambda. So which one is correct answer? So therefore your final result is v square is equal to sigma divided by rho into lambda. Okay, this is the final answer. So which one is correct answer? Sigma rho lambda. Option B is correct. योर ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट ओके पिला देखो ये क्वेश्चन को मुझे सॉल्व कर देछि याकू बिट बाय बिट सॉल्व कर देछि वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दिस क्वेश्चन इज नीट क्वेश्चन द स्पीड v of the repels on the surface of water depends on the surface tension density and the wavelength the square of the speed is proportional to how much तो चारिटा ऑप्शन अच्छे भितर कोटा ऑप्शन करेक्ट हम देख डायमेंशन ऑफ स्पीड मुझे डायमेंशन बाहर कल डायमेंशन ऑफ सरफेस टेंशन बाहर कली ओके तो समस्त डायमेंशन ये मुझे बाहर कर देछि डायमेंशन ऑफ डेंसिटी बाहर कले डायमेंशन ऑफ वेवलेंथ में डायमेंशन बाहर करछे लेट द रिलेशनशिप हम गोटे रिलेशनशिप पुट करबा v proportional to lambda sigma to the power a root to the power b lambda to the power c okay we have to find a b c ठीक अच्छे तार समस्त डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला पुट कले कलापर आम फाइनाल रिजल्ट एतिक है ओके जदि वीडियो भल लगी लाइक कर शेयर कर और सब्सक्राइब करिए जमारू भूलियो नहीं थैंक यू फॉर योर वाचिंग थैंक यू।